am going to show you how the Access4All app works. This functionality is what we envision for users to access any media, regardless of how or where they consume it. They could be watching TV, using streaming services, cable or satellite, or at the movies. They could also be in the US or anywhere in the world. Using this app, they can easily access ASL, captions, audio descriptions, or any other asset associated with the media. To show you how it works, I will start by playing the program in my computer. Space Chase USA from WUCF. Then I will open the Access4All app. The app will listen to the audio of my program to identify it. Then the app will show the accessibility assets available and will synchronize my selection with the program played. For this demonstration, I will select audio description. Let's see it working.
Shortly after NASA formed, an announcement was made looking for volunteers to become the nation's first astronauts. The competition was open to military test pilots. So by definition, this meant men only. Over 500 pilots applied. After rigorous testing, the field was narrowed down to 7. In April of 1959, NASA introduced America's new Mercury 7 astronauts, creating instant
Wearing silver
celebrities.
spacesuits, the Mercury 7 posed for a photo. Standing next to an Air Force jet, they wear pilot gear. A photo shows an astronaut. Grinning as a man fixes his spacesuit. Another shows an astronaut running on the beach. 2 astronauts in bathing suits smiled by the ocean.
The real activity on the beach.
Now, let's use another program to see the ASL and the captions on the app. This program is also from WUCF, Central Florida Road Trip. This episode is about the town of DeLand. I will play the video and let the Access4All app identify the program. Then I will select ASL.
At the behest of his brother-in-law, DeLand made his way to the outskirts of Persimmon Hollow.
And Mr. DeLand was not real happy about it. He kept saying, let's turn back, I don't want to see this. As they hit the DeLand Orange City Ridge, which is a high and dry ridge, Mr. DeLand's interest peaked. He said it reminded him of New York, and he said he could see far in the distance through the trees. He was really pretty excited about it.
That day, he bought 159.1 acres for $1,000 and set his sights on the future.
He sees great possibilities.
Now, let's see how the captions work.
For industry and for tourism in this area. He thinks it's beautiful.
He goes back to New York, and pretty soon he's placing ads in the New York Times and other northern newspapers. One said, Persimmon Hollow, 25 miles from the Atlantic Ocean, is constantly favored by a cool ocean sea breeze. That's stretching it just a little bit, about 24 miles, I would say. A couple of things happened that really set the tone for the development of DeLand. One, he offered to donate land for a school.
As you can see, the app allows users to enlarge or decrease the font size. Users can adapt the captions to the size they need. This really makes it easy for your audiences with disabilities to enjoy the media.